All right, let's go ahead and get another digital collectible added to our collection for our Creator Studio. We have Steve Ryan's podcast coming out tomorrow. Every person who shows up live, I airdrop a collectible to. We actually had a really cool story. While I'm doing this, I'll just tell you the story. We had our swap meet last week, and we traded NFTs. So we had the ability to trade any NFT we wanted in our ecosystem. We had a fun party. And somebody actually traded one of these in a Manny Cabo for a giraffe. Actually, we had two people trade a Manny Cabo for a giraffe. So we have really cool opportunities for people to show up live to the podcast, listen, learn, maybe take action, get a free digital collectible from us that looks just like this, and then trade that collectible, right? Be able to take that collectible, trade it, and then be able to use and get whatever they wanted. People were able to trade one of these and get a giraffe, which has a floor price of like 9 Solana. I thought it was really cool. Anyway, let's go in and let's create. So I'm going to walk you through my process. We have in the studio with Steve Ryan that's going out tomorrow. I open up ChatGPT and I go ahead and go to a new chat. I grab this content right here. I just go ahead and do a little copy. Go to right there. And I put this in, and I say, write a 150 character description of this. There we go. And it'll come up with something for me. It's going to write, this episode, Gary interviews Steve Ryan, an esteemed Gary Club member. They dive into the power of time freedom, authenticity, and creation, growth strategies, and community values. Perfect. Copy that. Go ahead and paste that right here. Go ahead and put Creator Studio - Steve Ryan. I put the direct link to the episode right here. Let's go ahead and do that right here. NFT type is an open edition. Royalties. For me, I do 10% on everything that we do. These are airdropped directly, one per wallet. Is it mutable? No. I go into the properties. I add a bunch of properties here. What I'm going to add is month, June, or actually guest, Steve Ryan, month, June, day 5. Let me actually just to be certain, let me make sure that I'm using the right metadata structure. Oops. There we go. Let me just verify really quickly. I don't want to mess up the metadata structure, so I want to make sure that I'm using the same structure that I've used in other collections or other pieces in this collection. So I'm just going to go here to the overview. I'm going to go down and I'm going to grab Manny Cabo. I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to look at the structure. So I said guest name, month, day, year, day of week. Guest name, month, day, year, day of week. When you're in doubt, just go do a little bit of checking. It's always easier to do that. Monday. Now I'll go back, look at basic. Everything's here. I've got my name, got my royalties, open edition. Everything's in place. Hit continue. This is my wallet. I want the funds to go there. I'm going to add it to an existing collection. We call these Gary Club Creator Studio. Hit the continue button. Lets me see everything right here. Step inside Gary Club, uncover secrets. Perfect. Everything's good. There's the episode, creators, max supply, create. Now what it's doing, it's going to upload this image. It's going to upload the metadata. It's going to add it to the collection. It's going to create this collectible. This process takes maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds, not too long. This ability to create digital collectibles is available for every single giraffe. So every giraffe that is in our community, they get this fully unlocked. They can create their own collectibles. Contracts are written for them automatically. It's minted on the blockchain automatically, all in Solana. They can create their own mint pages, or they can use our segment mint and mint and airdrop directly to people. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and return home. I'm going to go to segment mint. I'm going to mint to segment. I'm going to go to my Steve Ryan segment, which I'll just find Steve on my list here somewhere, I'm sure. There's Russ. There's Steve. Now I will go down here and I will find Creator Studio, Steve Ryan. What it says is there's 35 people. It's going to cost me 1.05 Sol. So that right now is maybe like $20. And it's going to airdrop these 35 items for me. It's going to mint them, pay the gas fees, and airdrop them straight to the wallets. I'll go ahead and hit the submit button. And when I do, that's it. I'm done. So you watched me in 5 minutes and 40 some seconds write a description, create a new collectible, and airdrop it to the 35 people who came to the studio. Tomorrow, you'll be able to check out our Creator Studio episode with Steve Ryan. So you'll be able to go and listen to the podcast on Spotify or Apple or wherever you listen to your podcasts. We'll get out a supporter email for you tomorrow. We'll have a link there as well if you're one of our supporters. And if you have a giraffe, you can come in and start using our technology. It's fully available and unlocked for you. All you have to do is put a giraffe in your wallet, connect to Social Connector, and all this unlocks. Have a great day, everybody.